Assalamualaikum everyone. Now we are going to give a presentation about the application of differentiation. This is our group members, Izzat Mahfuz bin Idris, second, Nur Atirah binti Malazim and Arifah binti Shamsuddin. Next, about the introduction. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of function. Differentiation is a process in math where we find the instantaneous rate of change in function based on one of its variable. And the topics under application of differentiation are related rates, analysis of function, applied maximum and minimum value, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. And we are going to present about the Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. About the Rolle's theorem, the steps in solving the Rolle's theorem problems are: suppose that function x is a function that satisfies all of the following. 1. Function x is continuous on the closed interval a, b. And second, function x is differentiable on the open interval a, b. And third, function a equal to function b. Then there is a number c such that function c equal to 0 and a is less than c and less than b. In other words, function x has a critical point in AB. Next, we are going to proceed with our problem solving.
Here we have the first problem for Rolle's theorem. The question says that the Rolle's theorem states that if fx is differentiable on AB, continuous on AB, and fa equals to fb, then there is at least one point C in AB where f prime c equals to 0. If fx equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5, find the value of c in the interval 1, 5 that satisfies the above theorem. So first, we will have to take out the function fx and the interval 1, 5, which is fx equals to x squared minus 6x plus 5 and the interval 1, 5. Then we will have to find fa, so a is 1 and b is 5. So fa, and we will have to substitute 1 into the x and we will get fa equals to 0. Same goes to b, we will have to substitute 5 into x and we will get fb equals to 0. Therefore, it satisfies that fa equals to fb because both gives the answer 0. Then next, we will have to find the value of c in the interval 1, 5. So we will have to differentiate fx and we will get f prime x equals to 2x minus 6. Then we will have to change x to c. F prime c equals to 2c minus 6. And then we will have to let f prime c equals to 0. And we will get the answer c equals to 3. And the final answer will be c equals to 3 element in bracket 1, 5. Here is another example for Rolle's theorem problem. The Rolle's theorem states that if fx is differentiable on AB, continuous on AB, and fa equals to fb, then there is at least one point C in AB when f prime c equals to 0. If fx equals to x cubed minus 7x plus 6, find the value of c in the interval negative 3, 2 that satisfies the above theorem. So first, same as the question before, we will have to take out the function fx and the interval that has been given in the question. So fx is equals to x cubed minus 7x plus 6 and the interval is negative 3, 2. Negative 3 is a and 2 is b. So we will have to substitute the negative 3 in the x, so we will get fa equals to 0. Same goes to fb. We substitute the 2 into the x and we will get fb equals to 0. Therefore, we satisfy that fa equals to fb because both gives the answer 0. Next, we will have to find the value of c in the interval. So we will have to differentiate the function fx and we will get f prime x equals to 3x squared minus 7. And since we have to find the value of c, we change the x to c. F prime c equals to 3c squared minus 7. Then we will have to let f prime c equals to 0 and we will get two answers, positive 1.528 and negative 1.528. The reason why we get two answers here because we have to square root the answer. So when we square root the number, we will get two value, which is one is positive and one is negative. And the final answer will be x. The final answer will be C equals to plus minus 1.528, element in bracket negative 3, 2. Make sure you always write your final answer in this form because this is the correct form of writing your final answer.
Mean value theorem. Solving mean value theorem. Suppose function x is a function that satisfies both of the following. Function x is continuous on the closed interval AB. Function x is differentiable on the open interval AB. Then there is a number C such that function x equal to function b minus function a divided by b minus a. Next, we will solve this problem. The mean theorem for the differentiation states that if function x is continuous on a closed interval AB and the differentiable on the open interval AB, then there exists at least one point C in AB such that function x equal to function b minus function a divided by b minus a. Find the values of C that satisfy the theorem for function x equal to square root 1 minus 2x on interval negative 4, 1 over 2. The interval A is negative 4 and B is 1 over 2. Next, we will substitute the negative 4 into function x and we got 3. 1 over 2 substitute in function B and we get 0. The next step is we must differentiate the function x and we will get the 1 over square root 1 minus 2x. And we want to find the function C and we will change the x into C. The next step, we must put the value into the formula function b minus function a divided by b minus a, and we will get the answer C equal to negative 5 over 8. And we will write the answer C equal to negative 5 over 8. Realize the negative 4, 1 over 2. The next problem is the mean theorem for the differentiation state that if function x is continuous on a closed interval AB and the differentiable on the open interval AB, then there is a number C in AB such function x equal to function b minus function a over b minus a. Find the value of C that satisfies the theorem for the function fx equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 in the interval 1, 3. First, we must declare the AB interval, A equal to 1, B equal to 3. We substitute the 1 into function A and we got 4. 3 substitute into function B and we got 36. The next step, we must differentiate the function x. Function x equal to 6x plus 4. And we want to find the function C equal to 6c plus 4. The next step, we must substitute the value that we got into the formula that it gives function b minus function a over b minus a, and we got the 36 minus 4 over the 3 minus 2. And the last, we will get the c minus c equal to 2, and we will write the answer c equal to 2 plus 1, 3.
Then as a conclusion, we are able to differentiate the Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem by following their fixed conditions. Second, we are able to find the value of C in the function that satisfies the theorem, and lastly, we learn the formula that we have to use to solve solution in the means value theorem problems. This is the reference, and thank you.